Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to upload a video on Likee application step by step. First of all, open up the Likee application on your mobile device and also make sure you have the latest version of Likee installed. After you're inside the homepage of Likee, also make sure that you're logged into your account, and from the home section, go to the bottom center and tap on the plus icon. This will then take you to your device's camera. You can go ahead and record a video by tapping on the red starter icon, or you can upload an existing video from your device's camera roll. I'm just going to upload an existing video. Tap on the upload button at the bottom right, and then go ahead and select the video you'd like to upload on Likee. Once you are done selecting the video, click on next at the bottom right. Now you will be able to see your video in the preview section. From here, you can go ahead and edit your video. Likee allows you to add filters, effects, text, or music at this stage. You can use the options provided at the bottom of the screen, and once you've made enough edit for your clip, you can then click on the tick mark at the bottom right, and then you will be able to see the video on the screen. You can also add other effects from the right hand side tool menu, and after you are done, click on next at the bottom. Now, write down appropriate hashtags and descriptions for your video on the right hand corner at the top. After you are done adding enough hashtags and description for your video, click on the post button at the bottom right corner. Now your video is being uploaded. And that's it. That's how easy it is to upload a video on Likee. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.